morning, children. I hope you all are doing well. Children, have you ever thought why some objects can be lifted very easily while some cannot? Yes, it is because of the weight. When we compare two objects on weight, it is said to be heavier or lighter. And yes, today's topic is concept heavier and lighter from maths. Heavier means the object that is heavy. जिस सामान का वजन ज्यादा होता है उसे heavier कहते हैं. And lighter means light, the object that is light. जिस सामान का वजन light होता है, कम होता है, उसे lighter कहते हैं. Now, ma'am is going to show you some examples so that you all can learn the topic very nicely. Kids, now let us compare two objects with each other and see which is heavier and which is lighter. First is the laptop and phone. Let's pick up laptop. The laptop is heavier whereas the phone is lighter. So we will say the laptop is heavier than the phone and the phone is lighter than the laptop. Laptop का वजन ज्यादा है और phone का कम. Next object is lock. The lock is heavier and key. Key is lighter. लॉक का वजन ज्यादा है और की का वजन कम है. The lock is heavier than the key and the key is lighter than the lock. Next object is a book. Book is heavier. Book का वजन ज्यादा है. And a feather. Feather is lighter. Feather is lighter than a book and book is heavier than the feather. Kids, the next object is a school bag and your crayon box. The school bag has some books inside it. So, the bag is heavier. Bag का वजन ज्यादा है. And the crayon box, it is lighter. Crayon box का वजन कम है. So we will say the bag is heavier than a crayon box and crayon box is lighter than the school bag. Now the next object is log, a piece of wood. The log is heavier whereas pencil is lighter. Log is heavier. Log का वजन ज्यादा है. So it is heavier. Whereas pencil का वजन कम है. So it is lighter than the log. Did you all understood, kids? Kids, now let us see few more examples on heavier and lighter.
Now, children, today we are going to learn a new concept and that is heavier or lighter. What is this? Yes, this is a weighing scale. We use a weighing scale to compare the weights of two objects. When we compare the weight of two objects, one object is heavier and the other one is lighter. Let's learn more with the help of weighing scale. I kept a pumpkin in one pan and a brinjal in the other pan. The pan with the pumpkin went down and the pan with the brinjal went up. The pan with the heavier object always goes down, yes kids, and the pan with the lighter object always goes up. So the pumpkin is heavier than the brinjal, yes kids, or we can say that the brinjal is lighter than the pumpkin. Yes kids. Now let's see some more examples related to this concept. Now kids, can you see here? Yes, a pillow and a brick. Now a pillow is lighter than a brick and a brick is heavier than a pillow. Now look at these pictures. A scooter and a bicycle. Now this bicycle is lighter than a scooter and this scooter is heavier than a bicycle. Now kids, can you see here a leaf and a stone? Now look at this both picture. A leaf is lighter than a stone and a stone is heavier than a leaf. Yes kids? So kids, now exercise time. Tick the heavier object and cross the lighter object. Now can you see here a table and a chair? Now which one is heavier and which one is lighter? Yes, a table is heavier than a chair. So we have to put tick on table and put a cross on a lighter object and that is a chair. Okay, now next example. See, a watermelon and a mango. Now kids, what will you do? Which object is lighter and which object is heavier? Yes, a watermelon is heavier than a mango. So we put a tick on watermelon and cross on mango. Yes kids, now you understood about this?
Okay children, that's all for today. Do practice regularly. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.